Hi, my name is
JP.
JP. I'm 14 Hack Club in Lafayette, Colorado, and I actually have my own shitty robot to show off. Okay, so this is the yogurt magic. Have you ever been stirring yogurt? And you see how like it's kind of like all floating on the top. It's kind of gross.
Uh-huh.
Well, this will stir the yogurt for you. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God,
That ruined
no.
my carpet.
I can't tell
Anyway.
if it's... Do you have carpeted floors?
I'm stepping on yogurt now, but that's my robot. And my
give
question
it...
for you was,
Yeah.
I wonder what your first robot was, or your first experience with technology.
First of all, I don't know, is it rude to do it? But I rate your robot -5 out of 10 stars, which is a really
Watch
good
out.
rate. Yeah. So this is a solid score, actually. My first...
Sorry.
So the way I kind of got into hacking, I started studying at an advertising school. And it was just like this, like, it was super fun, but very laid back. And it was just all about doing advertising campaigns and coming up with creative ways of selling products. And that was kind of where I started programming, because a lot of the projects that we were doing was like, oh, we need a website. And then I randomly got the hat as like a technical person, which I definitely wasn't, but you kind of filled the role and you're like, yes, I will teach myself how to program. So that was where I started doing it. And I was building my portfolio. And I remember the project that got me into hardware was that I wanted to apply for internship. I wanted to have this website that you could basically interact with the physical world, but through your browser. So it would be a webcam live stream of this box that had a bunch of bricks. And if you push different buttons on the website, the bricks would move around and have different information on it. Anyway, but that was kind of what like led me into the rabbit hole of building hardware. And I remember like just the first approach that I was thinking was I was like, okay, what if you could have it run off of a computer and you could have it control the power to the USB outlets on the computer? And then I started looking into getting these like pencil sharpeners that were run through the USB or just had like run through a USB. And I was like, then you can turn on and off the power to the pencil sharpener and that will turn the bricks. Like I was just so far down the wrong path. But I think that was kind of what led me into building hardware, just trying to figure that out. And I think the best thing about that was that I had people who were more technically adept than I, and that could kind of be like, you're about to go down a really bad path. Like it's not going to bring you anywhere really. So I think that was my first attempt at hardware project. I never actually built that, but I mean, I think back of it and I just laugh at how off I was.